This is the second video in this upgrade series for the Central City Smart Home. This is a smart home themed Airbnb suite. In the first video, I removed an old Android tablet off the wall because I'm going to replace it with the Amazon Echo Show 15. Before doing so, I wanted to install a piece of scrap plywood that I had that I cut to size to hide all of the marks from the previous tablet. In this video, we're going to install the Amazon Echo Show to the wall using the provided mounting bracket. After that, I'll give you my first impressions of using it to give a glimpse on what it can do inside a smart home. This is a powerful device that could become the central hub for all of your smart home devices. So without further ado, let's begin video 2 of this smart home upgrade series for the Central City Smart Home. Okay, the next step is to figure out where and how high I want to place this. I could go directly in the middle, like center, but it is kind of high. So I think what I'll do is make it just a little bit lower, somewhere around here. So what I have to do, hold on, let me just take this plate off. So I'll make it work. And then what I'll have to do is measure down from this top to here to figure out where the plate needs to go. From the top to the top of the plate is roughly about 4 inches and a quarter. I'm gonna go 4 inches and a quarter, make a mark. Doesn't have to be exact again. So I'm just gonna hold that. Take my level. Oh, look at that. Just eyeballed it perfectly. Oh, beauty. Okay, so now what I want to do is nicely tuck in this cord because I don't need much of it. Okay, here we go, the moment of truth. So I'm going to put this upside down like that. Oh yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Now I've already set it up, so let's see if it works. Okay, so the Amazon Echo Show 15 has been installed in the Central City Smart Home. So let's go inside and take a look, see how it looks. There it is right here. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Right on the wall, and it's all voice activated. I've set everything up, so let's check this out. Alexa, turn the Airbnb lights on.
Okay.
All the lights turn on. Alexa, turn the Airbnb lights purple.
Okay.
That's my favorite color right there. So what I did is I created a little sign with voice commands. I'll add to them later. What I want to do is spend some more time with the Echo Show 15 and really learn what it can do because it's actually very, very powerful. And you can see right here, you can actually have it in both portrait mode and landscape mode. But because of this wall, it fits perfectly. I really like the fact that I put that piece of plywood, which matches this side over here as well. So together gives a very nice kind of look, even matches the bar and the seats. So a very nice look. It's just like this one-stop shop. I can actually set up notifications and messages for the guests. So let's try something right now. This is the first time I'm doing this, so bear with me. Alexa, add a note.
Okay, what should the note say?
Welcome Madison and Alyssa.
You want it to say welcome Madison and Alyssa, right?
Yes.
Okay, I've saved your note.
And boom, right on the front. This is so cool. See, before I was doing it like this. I would print out a welcome sign for each guest. But now I just can put it right on there. I could send even other types of notes. What I really like about this is that it's kind of like an old school jukebox. You can just find some music and then play it. So let me see if I can find something that I like. How about a Leon Bridges station? Isn't that cool? Here's another cool thing you can do with this Amazon Echo Show 15. You can actually find videos on YouTube. So let's try it out. Alexa, show me boxing highlights on YouTube.
Searching YouTube.
And just like that. And then let's go ahead and select something.
For 20 years, Mitsubishi Motors has brought constant innovation to Canada.
So you can see it has to go in this way because
forward-thinking technology.
Because it's in portrait
Another
mode.
12 months in boxing.
That's what happens if I go.
Produces another collection of bone-crushing
that's
KOs.
cool.
Uppercut, body shot again.
Liver
Welcome
shot.
back to SMB Boxing. And join us today as we count
That's really
down
cool.
our picks of the top 30 punches from 2021 that brought an abrupt
Alexa,
end to
stop
the-
playing. Alexa, close YouTube. Wow. Completely hands-free. So let's try something else. Alexa, show me pictures of mountains.
Here's what I found online.
That's super cool. You can just find pictures, click on something, and then view it. Alexa, what's the weather this week?
In Surrey for the next 7 days. Sunday, 16 degrees Celsius and rainy weather. Monday, 19 degrees and rainy weather.
The cool thing about this Echo Show 15 is that it also just is like a built-in photo frame, and you can put different types of photos. Let's see if I can swipe through the photos. Amazing. So it's like living art right on the wall. Oh, it's just absolutely fantastic. I love this. This concludes the second video of this upgrade series for the Central City Smart Home. Now that the Amazon Echo Show 15 is installed, be sure to subscribe to this channel as I learn more about this device and tips and tricks on how you could use it in your home as well. If you are interested in the smart home and everything about the smart home, be sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave your comments below. If you have any good tips or tricks for Alexa with the Amazon Echo Show, please leave those in the comments below. I'm very curious to see how you use it in your home. Once again, it's Andy Baryer, Handy Andy from Handy Andy Media, signing out. We'll see you again next time.